Hello children, today we are going to make oven baked potatoes without the foil. And we're doing it without the foil because we want crispy shells, crispy outer skin. And yeah, I just cut my finger playing around with some foil. Okay, so you want to wash your potatoes really well. Okay, potato washer. Okay, get all the dirt off of the potatoes. Okay, you're going to preheat your oven to 425, and you need olive oil, and you need salt, and sea salt, and that's about it. And you're gonna wash off your potatoes really good. Okay, get all that dirt off of there. You're gonna stick it with some holes. Okay, then you're gonna, I'm making 5 of them. You're going to get some parchment paper, put them on here on a baking sheet. So you got your olive oil, your sea salt, your fork. Russet potatoes are kind of the best in these, just because of the skin and how plump they are. And then we're going to poke a few holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We are going to then dry these off really good. Okay. Dry your potatoes off really good. All right. Come with me. Okay. Let me turn the water off. Okay. You're going to put some oil, okay, olive oil, all over your potato, okay. You can do these in the microwave if you want. Wrap them up in some wet paper towel after you poke holes in it. Wrap it up with a wet paper towel, and then stick it in the microwave for 7 minutes maybe. If you want it softer, 8 minutes. That way you don't have to wait the 45 minutes to an hour that these are going to take. But we're going to do them in the oven because this time I want really crispy outer skins. Okay. Sprinkle it with your sea salt. Okay. Don't get it in the cut. Don't get it in your cut. Okay. Okay. Use lots of salt, especially if you like fried, you know, this, the outside. Okay. Okay. And then we're just going to arrange them on our baking dish, a baking sheet. And we're going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Take it out. See if it's soft enough. If you want it softer, you could do it longer. The bigger your potato, the closer to that hour. The smaller your potato, less time. And then when it's done, open it up, put your butter, your sour cream, cheese, all that, and it's good. Again, you could do this in the microwave if you only have 8 minutes or so. But this is if you want crunchy skin and really fluffy, flaky white on the inside. Okay, love you, bye. Okay, here's our potatoes going into the oven. And 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes. Let's check on our oven baked potatoes. Okay. Do that. Ooh. Yes. Turn around. Ooh. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. Ooh. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nice. Oh. Okay. Seem ready to me. So we're gonna take these out, cover them up with some foil while I start on the main course.